So the question is, so this is the differential equation they have given, and they are saying a second order control system is defined by the following differential equation. Okay, the damping ratio and the natural frequency for the systems are. Okay, so we are asked to find the damping ratio, let's call it sigma, and the natural frequency. These two we are asked to find. Okay, now we need to write the transfer function for this first, right? So if you write it, so basically what they are saying, if you take a Laplace transform of this, right, and this will become 4 square CS plus 8s CS plus 16 CS is equal to 16 RS, right? CS by RS would be 16 by 4s square plus 8s plus 16. So this is the transfer function. Now once you have this equation, right, it's easy to find the damping ratio and then the natural frequency, because if you represent this, right, in the characteristic equation form, the formula is this: s square plus 2 sigma omega s plus omega n square. So we have to represent this in this form. So let's do that. Remove this 4 divided by 4, right, all of this. So this will become 4. So what is omega n? That is 2. So this we know. Now we need to find sigma. So 2 sigma into omega n, now we know is 2, is equal to 2. So basically the sigma has to be 0.5. Okay, so this is 0.5, this is 2 radian per second. That's the answer.